And so BrightWork Power Pack BI is already pre-built. So I'm working on the Power BI platform. It is a result of our mission to offer interactive dashboards, and then we'll be able to drill down into that information. It will be downloadable and connects to your BrightWork enterprise data. It's basically connecting to the project cache, the work cache, and the project status report cache. So then the next item that Scott was looking for is my active items. What's going on with my projects? So here I can come in and I can see across the board, here are all of my projects. Well, for Scott, I really only care to see this one project that I'm looking at right now. I want to see what's going on with just this one particular project. I want to see how things are going. I can come in here and just pick on one project. I can also come in here and pick the ones for just Scott. So we've decided here that Scott is going to look at his hardware upgrade global project. So then he can come in here and see that we have 22 open tasks, we have 10 risks, we have 3 issues, and we have 1 project goal. Of course, I can click on this item, and this is going to filter out to just show me the risks that are going on with the project. Maybe I just want to see the items that are due today or tomorrow. So these are coming up. This one is actually due today. Which items are late? I can see which items are late. And I also want to show you guys a cool feature. So I can come in here, which items are late. I can actually click here on this link. This link will then open up BrightWork. So you will need to have a license for BrightWork to do this. It takes me down to the actual item. So I can come in here and look for more information. I can actually find out as well, besides the report, of who this is assigned to, and then maybe I can talk to that person and find out why this date was on the 17th and something has still not been updated. So it does, that link does take you directly down to the actual item.